I know something. Do you want to know what I know?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy has a baby in her belly.
I can't see it.
Well, no, because it's still in there. He's still growing. It's a baby boy.
And it's a baby girl right now.
It's a baby girl right now?
What's that? I can't see it. What's that?
But there's a baby in here. It's gonna be another baby brother for you.
Well, it's my Tommy.
It's your Tommy?
It's my baby.
Uh-huh.
Why is it my baby?
I'm gonna grow it.
I can only see it.
Well, you can't see it, baby. It's still in here.
I can see it.
It's just a belly.
Yes, I need to see it. It's right here.
Mm-hmm.
She's in your belly button.
Yeah. Tommy, there's a baby in here. Baby. Can you say hi, baby?
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
You want to say hi to baby?
Hello? Bye, baby.
Hi, baby.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.